Today, B52 with a view is at Cypress Falls, and this is Joey the Mini Aussie's YouTube debut. Welcome to a beautiful day. We're about to head up to Cypress Falls. This is the trailhead and the parking lot right here. Lots of parking on this beautiful day. If you're new to B52 with a view, make sure you hit subscribe so you get to see all the other trails and hikes and kayak trips that we go on. And we're excited today because it's Joey's YouTube debut. As we head out on this hike, I would just like to acknowledge that our hike today is taking place on the unceded territory of the Coast Salish people, of the Squamish, the Tsleil-Waututh, and the Musqueam. Despite most trail reports saying that there are 2 sets of falls on this hike, today we discovered a route that takes us to 3 sets, the first being at the 1 kilometer mark. When you get to the bridge, don't take it. Instead, continue up the trail to the switchbacks. So we have our first glimpse of Cypress Falls. Looks like there's a little path that goes up and around for a better viewpoint, but it sure is beautiful. Once you have enjoyed the main Cypress Falls, you just need to hoof up the steep bank to your left, follow the bark mulch trail to the gravel road, continue on until you see the big blue mushrooms, and then head back into the forest. The trek down into the falls viewpoint was a little treacherous, so we leashed Joey up and kept him away from the cliffs. These last set of falls were easily my favorite, truly a hidden gem of the West Vancouver trail system. As this is an out and back trip, simply reverse course, find your way home. It was so satisfying to walk amongst giants. We were blessed to share our hike with many first growth firs and cedars. Their magnitude takes your breath away. Well, there you have it, folks. The end of Cypress Falls hike. We're looking at 2K out, 2K in. It's an off-leash dog park. It's very nice trails, a little bit of muddy parts here and there, and some elevation gain, some root and rock climbing, but the payoff is well worth it.